Hey you guys, so welcome back to my channel. As you can see, my package came via DHL and the box that the wig came in was a little beat up, but that's okay. So EVAWIGS did go ahead and send an elastic band, some bobby pins, their famous comb, also a user manual, and some wig caps. So one thing that I do love about EVAWIGS is they don't play when it comes down to giving you all of the information and specs on their units. So this is a 360 unit, you guys. I absolutely love it. The only thing that I have something to say about is the fact that it doesn't have any combs, but we're gonna make it work. It does have adjustable straps, so that was a plus. The knots are bleached. This is a This is a full lace unit, and I will have all of the details to this wig down below in the description box. But do you guys see that hairline? Yes, I absolutely love it. But we're gonna make this work. Let's go ahead and adhere her to my head, and you guys enjoy the video. I'll be back to share with you some more thoughts on this unit.
You made this work, I made this worse. We fell apart 1,000 times, 1,000 times. You moved away, I'm here to stay. I wish I could go back in time, back in time. I'm so sorry that I hurt you so deep. Swear I spent the last few years just trying to change. I'm on my knees and I'm begging you, please. Is there any chance you're thinking about me? If I change my ways, babe, won't you come back to me? Make no mistakes, babe, won't you come back to me? Come back, come back, come back, won't you come back to me? Come back, come back, come back, won't stop until you're here, till you're here. You're miles away. It's safe to say, it's almost like you've disappeared. I'm so sorry that I hurt you so deep. Swear I spent the last few years just trying to change. I'm on my knees and I'm begging you, please. Is there any chance you're thinking about me? If I change my ways, babe, won't you come back to me? Make no mistakes, babe, won't you come back to me? Come back, come back, come back, won't you come back to me? Come back, come back, come back, won't you come back to me? I just wanna let you know that I'll do anything to get you here. Oh, I could never let you go. I'll make it worth your while if you appear. If I change my ways, babe, won't you come back to me? Make no mistakes, babe, won't you?
Okay, you guys, so I'm back to share with you my final thoughts on this unit. I hope you enjoyed watching me apply this wig because it was as easy as it looked on camera. I believe I did this in about maybe 15 minutes, and that's only because I really wanted to make sure that it was dry. As you can see, I didn't have to really cut any baby hairs. I just swooped them over with some gel, and that's pretty much it. I don't have any cons about this unit at all. It does not shed, it does not tangle. EVAWIGS has like the best hair quality that I've ever reviewed, and I'm not even kidding. Like, I've been working with them for years. If you guys are familiar with my channel, excuse me, then you already know that. So yeah, I mean, if you're interested in this unit, check down below in the description box. All of the information will be down there. Again, I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please don't forget to thumbs up this video. Subscribe if you're not subscribed to my channel, and I will talk to you all later. Bye. Thanks for watching.
You made this work, I made this worse. We fell apart 1,000 times, 1,000 times. You moved away, I'm here to stay. I wish I could go back in time, back in time. I'm so sorry that I hurt you so deep. Swear I spent the last few years just trying to change. I'm on my knees and I'm begging you, please. Is there any chance you're thinking about me? If I change